Hi guys. So, if you've been with us, you know that we recently restocked the Sandy and the Mandy, the slip dress and the topper. Well, going back a few months, a customer was wearing the dress on the first order that arrived. She came out of the dressing room with the Sandy dress on and the tutu in between the layer of mesh and the slip underskirt. So if you're trying to picture it in your head, you don't have to, because I'm wearing it here today. I have on the Sandy dress with the tutu in between the two pieces of fabric. And this to me is such a great look. If you've got one of these pieces in your closet, you're 1/3 of the way to a fabulous outfit. So I do want to tell you, if you've got the bow deal in your closet, this will not work. It works best with the completely sheer tutu from Miss Sister Rose Violet. So just keep that in mind. I'm not saying you need a new tutu, but you never know. So I'm wearing the Mandy, the Sandy, and the tutu in between, okay? Isn't this a great look? A way to add another outfit with pieces already in my closet. Here again is the Sandy, this time Market of Stars. Now just picture if the blush was in between, like mine. You know how we love using a top as your topper right over the Sandy dress? Well, throw the olive right in between. Another look I love with a tutu, adding the Sandy only takes it up a notch, is a blazer right over Sandy. Here I would do the blue right under the layer of mesh. If you really want to take it up, we have a couple of these left. The Hadari with the dot right over under the Sandy. So again, if you've got one of these pieces, two of these pieces, add one more. Think about the options. Until next time.